Hey guys, I'm just playing Car Dealership Tycoon on here. You see that I got some skills. I've already got the Lamborghini Verse. Yeah, I've been playing this game for a long time, so don't judge me about how many cars I have. I have over a lot. I've even got this car. People are saying that car's hard to get, but I don't care. I've already got everything. But yeah, guys, just enough of that. I'm just gonna turn off my iPad and put it somewhere like right here. But yeah, guys, today we got free. Free amazing Hot Wheels right here for you guys. I'm struggling. So yeah, the first one we got is a 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. It is a funny car too. And we got a 2019 Kia Shredder GT right here. No, right here. Right here. And we see it right here. Here it is. Yeah. It's in the back of the box too. It's from Factory Fresh. And it is the third car in the set. This is from Race Team. And it is the third car in the set. Ooh. Look, these are both the third cars. Look, free. That's cool. And yeah, here they are. You can look at them. As soon as you got a signature by the person here, they got even this. So yeah, we got this other car, a Porsche 1914 Safari. It is actually a sport car and an off-road car too. Pretty cool. It's a Porsche, yellow too. And it's the fourth car in this night browser set. Right here. I can see you. And also it's got this look if I don't know, I can't read it. But yeah, here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna open. So yeah, let's open one. I'm feeling the Kia. Why not the Kia GT? I know. Let's just open it so I can go under here. And also, I forgot to tell you that I got a new button here. And you realize, so yeah, let's open the Kia. Okay, we're gonna like try to open it. That's okay. Who cares? We can still like cut it from here. Only like half of this wheel will be gone. And here we got this is broken. Oh, this actually looks pretty nice. Look at that. I can literally get this Kia up and frame it up. Oh, this gave me an idea. I can literally just like glue these to my wall, and I cannot open these. But still, this looks cool. I don't get it. Why doesn't Hot Wheels do this instead of just adding this? Like, they don't have to add this like extra paper. Like, come on. They just make it like this. It's more easier and small. And they can only make them like. And another good thing is they're like only like $1 at Walmart. I'm just saying, Walmart's the best place. So yeah, just get this out of here. So here we got the 2019 Kia Shredder GT. It has a nice sparkly blue, and it's also got some gray flower rims right here. It's got two little air conditioning things here, and it also got a little antenna for like signals. And it's also got like a sunroof here too on the top of the car. It's also got like sparkles. It's sparkly too. Ooh, it's even got the Kia logo. And also one more thing. It's even got like 4 mufflers on the back. Ooh. And also, guys, another thing to say, we gotta do test driving. But yeah, guys, I just want to say one thing when we do test driving. This table is not really good for test driving because this happens. It's slippery. So yeah, I want to do something for like test driving. what I think about is I have like a little like a platform thing, so we can test the cars and if they're good. So hey guys, I'm gonna get it. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Just admire my key. Oh. So yeah, we got it right here. This thing. So let's test it. The car is pretty good, not too bad. Let's see weird noise. So yeah, we had enough of that. Put it on top here for testing. Next car I'm gonna open is Porsche. So let's open the Porsche right here. Looking nice. Oh, okay, who cares? I'm just gonna destroy this package now by opening it. What? It's perfect! It didn't even break! Okay, this is good. Got like 2 of them right here. I feel like I got some money. Got $2 right here. And got like one of these, so let's put them right here. So let's take up the Porsche. Oh, it's looking nice. Here we got the Porsche 1914 Safari. It's got a nice yellow color. And also it's got a little gasoline here. And got some more gasolines if it runs out of gas. Hold up. Okay, good. Go. And also it's got an extra spare tire that's covered with gasoline. You can see it right there. A little wobbly too. And also it's got these like, what should I call these? They're the same as these rims, but what should I call these ones? I'm going to call these star rims. It's got some star rims right here. And a little like lining, a little bit like a grayish metallic lining, so it makes it look nice. The Kia doesn't have one. But still, this makes the car look more nice and better. And it looks like a pickup truck because it is a pickup truck. It's even got these LED lights you can see in the dark. And it's got number 5. Is this a race car like the Bentley? It's even got this thing. I don't know what that is. Likia. And it's got 2 more things. I'm just gonna do it quick. Okay, not too bad. What up? Okay. Next one. Just kidding. So, here we got the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. It is a little bit heavy too. It's got this. It looks like it says Lamborghini, but I don't know what it actually says. I can't really read it. Likinline. I don't know. Sorry, I cannot read that good. But yeah, here we got a signature. And also, guys, I want to say one more thing. This is the last Hot Wheel. Finally, I have to collect over like 200 of these now. Look, it's like there are 250 Hot Wheels, and this is the last Hot Wheel. So I think this is why there's a signature. The last car was actually a funny car. If you don't know what a funny car is, it's basically like a car that has 1,000 horsepower, and it can go it can't like go left or right because it can only go forward. And I've got like 3 of them. One in my package video and one I got before, but I never showed you before. And woohoo! Oh wow. Just look how cool this car is. It's so skinny. It's got like Hot Wheels logo here. It's got the big engine that looks like a burrito from Taco Bell. I'll give diarrhea. It's even got this thing for the parachute. And it's even got the box right here. Because mostly this car goes too fast. It goes like sound fast. Oh, it did drift. This car is amazing. I love it. It's got some big back wheels on the back. What should I call these wheels? Why do they keep on making too many flower rims? Why do they keep on making like too many like flower designs? Look, it looks like flower. Looks like flower. Looks like flower. So I'm gonna call these. Okay, these are star rims, flower rims, and these will be ninja star wheels because that's another thing I can think of. And these rims right here will be called dot rims. I don't know. I'm not really that creative. So yeah. Look at them right here. They look so cool. Even this one looks cool. It's got a nice blue color. It's a Camaro, I guess. Has it got a scratch? No scratch. But still, this car's even got like it's even got like this thing here that you don't even know if it's like existent. Like you can't even like how is this even on the car when it's not even like 1 inch like above the car? If it's like, come on, like look at this. That's not even like a spoiler. Do I even have any cars here that are like that have a spoiler? Like this one has a spoiler. It's like 2 feet up, but still, it's a nice car too. But how fast does it really go? Oh. Wow, it's really fast. And also test driving. Not too bad. Okay, I think this is getting like useless. Why do I even need this? It's kind of a bad idea. But yeah, hold up, I need that actually. So the reason why I have this is we can put the cars like this so it looks like they're outside. Like look at this. It looks like so much better than this boring old table. Like look at this. It looks like the cars are outside. I can just like line them up. You can take a look at them right here. It's much better. Look at that. I can place all my Hot Wheels in here so it look like they're like outdoors and you can like zoom in the camera a lot. So it looks like they're on grass. And I bet this car might get stuck too because look how low it is to the ground. But this back wheel will help because it's like not that close. But look at this. It's this thing that makes it go slow. But yeah. Here are all the cars right here. Right, the Porsche. You know, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, we're done. But yeah, here are all the cars right here. I've already showed him to you like 3 times, I think. But yeah, these are all the cars for today. And also, guys, I want to say have a Merry Christmas. And also, it's snowing outside. And I did promise you about the car, but don't worry about the car. I have another car that we can use in the snow. Okay, don't worry, don't get mad at me. I got everything planned out. But yeah, guys, have a Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, that's okay, you know. But just still have a good like a lot of days off. But yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, and like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, bye, and also have a good day. And check all my Hot Wheel videos. I think the link might be in the description. Check down there, you know, so you can see the link of like all my other Hot Wheels videos, yeah, but yeah, bye. Have a good day.